Hi guys, welcome to Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo. Here my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel to watch very much video tutorial. Okay, in this video I will show you how to create a logo design with the shape of the letter K. I will make it with a font base and the pencil I will use to make it looks good. Okay, first we need to create a new document or new worksheet. Click File, then New, and wait a minute. Okay, in the new document, we can change the width and height to 1000 pixels. Then click OK, create. Okay, this is my worksheet, but I will use my template here. First, we need to create K using font style. Select type tool and type K over here and change the size. Maybe like that, a little bit bigger. Okay. This is the basic form. I will make it nicer with the pen tool. Okay, this looks interesting, but we need to make it look professional. We can add an interesting effect on this graphic. So I will change this every object using different color. I will using a gradient color. In this object is using purple gradient. And I will adjust this gradient, click here and scroll down. Okay, like that. And I need to create another object over here to make it look like 3D. Okay, and I will change this color using purple gradient 2. Okay, like that. And click here, scroll on the top. Okay, like that. And maybe I need to adjust this line. Click on this point and scroll a little bit down. Okay, that looks good. Another object too, I will do same way in this object, but I will change this object using blue gradient color and click gradient tool and click here and scroll on the left, and I will make it look like 3D too, like this. Okay, and select the gradient tool, click here and scroll on the right. Okay, on the right, like that. That looks pretty good. And this object too, I will make it look like 3D. Same with this object. This is very simple. Click on this point, click here and scroll on the left. Okay, like that. You can try to create this K using your style, but with same technique. So you can sketch the K on the book and you can import on the Adobe Illustrator and you can make it to graphic using pen tool. I will change this object using orange gradient color. Select gradient tool, click on this point and scroll on the top. Okay, like that. I need to adjust this line to make it look smooth. Okay, that looks pretty good. And this object too, I will change the color using orange gradient. Okay, like that. Select the gradient tool over here and click here and scroll down. Okay guys, this is the basic how to create 3D logo design with K concept using font style. Just type K over here and make it to graphic and make it unique using pen tool. I hope you learned something in this video guys, and if you're happy with my video tutorial, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I'm update new video. You can go to my YouTube channel in Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo here. You can type here Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo, just like that, and click search and you can find my YouTube channel and watch more video tutorial over here on the video. Wait a minute, over here. Okay, and you can learn more about Adobe Illustrator, graphic and more in my YouTube channel. Okay, see you on the next video.